Hi, this is a demo of Shale Serve API, a plug-and-play inference API for large language models. So user onboarding process is very straightforward. Come to our landing page and you see these call to actions. Now let's jump to our Discord and generate an API key through a bot. If this is the first time you land our Discord, you have to complete a CAPTCHA verification. Otherwise, you'll be able to see all these channels. Now let's go to the request API keys channel. Here, let's type in a command line / new. We'll see the command new API key. Hit enter. Give it a sec. Okay, now we'll see the API key that starts with Shale, some example code for curl commands, and a link to our API doc. Let's go ahead and copy the API key, Control C, and jump to our documentation. So here, let's go to those two chapters for Python and the support for LangChain. So our API is effectively a drop-in replacement for the OpenAI API, and it's fully compatible with both the OpenAI Python library and LangChain. The easiest way to test out the API key is to open up this Google Cloud Notebook and plug it in. So now to save some time, I have already run the first line of code to install OpenAI and LangChain libraries. Let's skip the step. So here, let's plug in the API key. Right now, by default, our API supports Vicunian 13b and open source LLM. So let's run this. Give us a few seconds. We're asking the model to create an outline of a blog about machine learning inference. Okay, voila, so here it is. So it's pretty good with 5 sections and each section has bullet points. Okay, now let's move on. Let's test out how it works with LangChain. Again, run this 2 lines of code to import those modules from the LangChain library. And here again, let's plug in our API key. Execute. Give it a sec. Okay, good. So we asked the model what NFL team won the Super Bowl in the year Justin Bieber was born. So the answer actually this follows the logic, and the final answer we got was that hey, the Dallas Cowboys won Super Bowl in the year when Justin Bieber was born, which was 1994. All right, so that's about it. And I hope you find this demo helpful. If you have any questions, reference our API doc or ping us on our Discord.